Okay, so it's 2021, you want to start mining. You've seen the prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum shooting up over the past few weeks and you want to get into it. This video is going to go through exactly how we get started with it. I'm going to set up my miner with you. We're going to go through every step on how to get started mining in 2021. Are you ready? Let's get into it. So I've actually done a few other videos on how to get started mining Ethereum. I've done one for Nano Miner and I've done one for Phoenix Miner. So this is a different type of miner. This one's called LOL Miner. So if you do want to check out them other videos or you just want to get a little bit more information, I'll put the links for both of them down below. So just before we start, there's a few things that we actually need to go through. So to start mining, you're going to need the graphics card. And you're going to need the graphics card with at least 4 gigabytes of video memory. 4 gigabytes is just on the limit, so you're just pushing it. So you might have a few issues if you've got 4 gig, but you will be able to. I'll explain later on, there's actually 2 different miners, so there's a separate one for if you've got 4 gigs. But really, anything over 4 gigabytes of RAM, VRAM, will be able to mine, no problem. The first thing we want to do is set up a wallet. We want to get a wallet address so that when we get the miner set up, we have somewhere to send our Ethereum. So for that, we're going to use this one called MetaMask. It is just an extension for Chrome. You can get it on Edge as well, and you can get it for all the browsers. It's just an extension, and I think you can even get it on iPhone as well. So if you just add it to Chrome, add the extension, that'll take a sec, it'll just download, and then we've got it set up. So we go welcome to MetaMask. You're going to want to hit get started. You're going to want to create a wallet because we don't have one. Just ignore that, say no thank you. Create a password. We just do any password. And then you're going to want to agree to the terms and click create. Now this is important. This is very important actually. You're going to want to click this and you're going to get all these random words. It's going to be completely random words in just a random order. You're going to want to save these words in this exact order in like maybe a notepad, or so if I bring up a notepad here. I copy them words, put them in the notepad. So you're going to want to save them in that order because you're going to need them in a bit. You might even want to write it down as well because it's important that you keep that. If you ever log out of your account, you might need that to log back in. Or if you ever move computer, move PC, you move from your PC to your laptop, or you want to log in on your phone, you're going to need these words. So make sure you've got them. You're also going to need them at this step. So you need to put these words in the order that they were given to you in. And then boom, we're in. So you can actually do more with MetaMask than just use it as a wallet, but we can get into that in another video if you want, so let me know down below. So if you click this is going to get you your wallet address. So if you just copy it, and that'll copy your wallet address. So obviously now we've got nothing, we've just opened the wallet. Next, we're going to want to download the miner. Now, just to make you aware, there are other wallets that you can use. Coinbase has got a wallet. I've used that one in other videos. So if you want to use that one, I'll also put a link to that down below as well. Why not? It's just another option for you. But for this video, we're going to be moving forward using MetaMask. So one other thing to consider before downloading the miner. Pretty much all miners are classed as like a virus or malicious software by Chrome. So at some point you're probably going to need to allow it through your antivirus, whether that's through Avast or just even Windows Defender. Sometimes it might not let you download it in the first place, so you might have to just allow it to download. Other times it might let you, and then later on your antivirus might stop it from running. So you just need to be aware that if at any point it's not running or you're trying to open it and it's not happening, it's probably your antivirus. So just go on Google and type in how to allow a program with your antivirus. Just make sure that you're downloading it from a safe website because you're going to have to allow it through at some point. And if it's a malicious thing, some people try and hide actual viruses as miners because they know you need to allow them through. So make sure it's from a safe website. So we've actually just passed 400 subscribers. So if you do find this useful and you do end up getting it all set up, if you wouldn't mind dropping a like and subscribing, that'd really help me out. Let's get back into it. Okay, so now we're going to be downloading the actual miner itself. the miner that we're using in this video is called lolmine. So I'll have the link to this one down below as well. You're going to want to get the most recent version to get rid of any compatibility issues. So for me it's 1.19, and you can use Linux or Windows. I'm on Windows, so obviously I'm going to get the Windows one. Download it and save it somewhere. I've already downloaded this one before. And then to unzip it, you're going to need WinRAR. I'll put this down below as well. So you can get it for free. Just download the free version. You don't need to buy it. You can download that, and we're going to use that to extract the files. So if you want to right click it once you've got WinRAR and click extract here, and you should get this. So this is the miner, and we're going to need to change a few things in here to get this set up for you using mining to your wallet address. Okay, so now that we're up to this stage and we've got the miner open, we're going to want to come down here to mine_ETH. There's also a 4 GB version, so that's what we spoke about earlier on. If you've got a video card with less than 4 gigs of RAM, you're going to want to use that one. It's the same process if you open them. So if you right click it and click edit, you get this page. Now to do anything with this page, we're going to need to change these 2 lines. This is the pool. We're going to want to change this. We're also going to want to change this number and the wallet. So to do anything, we're going to want to come to ethermine.org. So this is one of the mining pools that we'll be mining to. So if you click start mining, now depending on whether you're in Asia, Europe or the US, it's going to depend on your pool. So I'm in the EU, so I'm going to copy this. And you're also going to want to copy this 444. You're going to want to just remember that. That's also going to need that in a second. So for the pool, you want to copy that up to the .com and paste your new pool in. And then after the colons, don't delete the colons, you're going to want to replace that with 4444. Okay, so that's the pool set, and for the wallet, you're going to definitely want to change that. You don't want to be mining to some random wallet. You want to go back to MetaMask, make sure you've got your wallet copied, and you're going to want to delete from the 0 up to the dot and paste your wallet address in. And now you're going to want to save it. Okay, so once you've got that saved, you're going to want to double click it and it'll start running the miner. You can see here, before we start going down, I've got my RTX 2060 in green. That's my video card. I've got 6,144 megabytes. That's my memory, so it's a 6 GB card. So like I said earlier on, anything over 4 gigs really is going to be fine. 4 gigs is maybe pushing it, but anything over. So here we've been mining for about 10-15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, and I'll show you what to look for. Basically you're looking for when it says share found or share accepted. So I'll try and find one now. So here you can see one there, share accepted, share found as well. So that means we've got a share of Ethereum. So if you're having trouble when it opens, if you keep getting errors or it's coming up with 0 hash rate, basically what you want to do is right click on it, on mine_ETH, and run it as an admin. Allow it, and it'll come up with this. It's being not recognized. Just click any button and then double click it again, like you've just restarted it, and it'll start mining normally. And it'll start doing it properly for you. So this is what it looks like when it's mining. So to stop it, you can just simply close it. You can just close it and it'll stop mining. And then to check on how much you're making, you want to go back to ethermine.org. So if you go up to miner address here and you type in your wallet address that we got from MetaMask, type it in up there, it'll come up with this. You see, I was mining a little bit last night, and then this is the 10 or 15 minutes it's been going for right now. So you can see a few things here. You can see we have 1 worker active, the unpaid balance, which I've only been mining this little bit, so it's only that. Estimated earnings, daily, weekly, monthly. The hash rate, which I'm recording, so it's a bit lower than usual. It's usually around 20. And then here you've got your graphs, which show how much your reported hash rate, current hash rate, and your average. And then I think usually it's set to 0.2 as a payout. Every 0.2 Ethereum it'll pay out to your wallet, but you can change it to a bit lower. So what you want to do is come to settings up here. You type in your email address, you can change it to 0.05, and then here you type in your IP address. So to find that, I'll leave a link in the description to a website. And you literally just grab that, copy it, paste it, put it in, and you'll be able to change your minimum payout. So if you did end up getting it all set up and you got it mining and it's all running, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and if you do subscribe, I'll even give you 600 Bitcoin. I won't really, don't ask me for Bitcoin, but do subscribe. So that's pretty much it. You're all set up, you can start mining now. This is a pretty nice, easy interface to use, especially for beginners. If you do have any questions, shoot them down below and I'll try and get back to you. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.